Make a great choice today with the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, electronic stability control. Come see the car for yourself.